It's been a pleasure and an honor to work with you, and I'm delighted that we actually did something that you haven't done before, which is doing an outdoor exhibition of an audio-visual installation, which gets screened behind our screens that mirror each other in the yard. Could you perhaps talk us through this commission, maybe like starting from the process of how it came about?
It is based on one of my oldest poems. It is called The Passerby Collects the Moonlight. I wrote this poem in 2011 after I lost two of my friends who lived in the West and who took refuge in, like in different countries, thinking that their life is going to be better and freer when they live there. However, one of them unfortunately had cancer and died, and there was only 3 people witnessing the last days of his life. And the second one took his life because he was suffering a lot because of depression and because of loneliness. What happened to them impacted me a lot. I was haunted by their stories, and I dedicated this poem to them and to all my friends, and I wrote to my friends, the strangers.
We have titled the public art commissions this year Between a Beach and Slope, and that is from another poem that you have written, also dedicated to Hassan Sharif. But what was really evocative for me when thinking about public commissions at Alserkal Avenue, this in-betweenness of Dubai, not only geographically, but also geopsychologically and emotionally. And also, like, if you look at the history of civilization, it has always been between the sea and the land, or the mountains, or the slopes. So I'm quite interested in how the Passerby Collects Moonlight creates a strong resonance, because it kind of talks about the people that reside in this in-between spaces.
I was also moved when you picked this particular title. It is a section in the book. He weaves rain and air. And it was dedicated to Hassan Sharif, and the book also included letters to another friend, Muhammad Ahmed Ibrahim, another artist. And I was touched that you picked the section that was dedicated to Hassan Sharif. Also, these poems, part of them appear in the film Sharp Tools, and they were used as sections breakers. And because Hassan asked me not to interview anyone else, so it was quite challenging what to put, how to weave the film. And I decided that the best way to weave the film is to use poetry. And these poems also sometimes come in his voice, sometimes explains or speaks about the situation related to one of the film sections. I also hope that people will try to resonate with this, and hopefully the film is going to be screened sometime during the year.
Yes.
So they can watch it as well.